Hello everyone, this is Archana and I have here with me
Hannah Francis.
And we are back with another new episode of
Verbal Vista
from Tiju's Academy. This is the best example of a video where maintaining a calm and relaxed mood can boost the overall performance of the candidate. Hello.
Hi ma'am.
My name is Archana and I'll be the examiner for today's speaking test.
Okay.
Can I see your ID?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. What is your full name?
My name is Hannah Francis.
Okay. How may I address you?
You can call me by my first name, Hannah.
Okay, fine. And where are you from?
I'm from Tiruvalla, which is a small town in Pathanamthitta district.
The candidate's confidence is highly appreciable so that the listeners may not pay much attention to the mistakes being made. So Hannah, I'm going to ask you something about shoes.
Okay ma'am.
Do you have the habit of wearing shoes?
Yes, I do have the habit of wearing shoes.
How often do you buy shoes?
I purchase shoes once in every month and I am very comfortable with the shoes while wearing. So I always purchase shoes which is suitable for me.
Okay. Have you ever bought shoes online?
Recently, I bought a shoe from online, which from a wide range of collections.
Okay. Do you know anyone who likes to buy shoes online?
Yes, one of my best friend who is very fond of having different types of shoes, and she has a great collection of different types of shoes and with different styles.
Okay. One of my best friend one of my best friends. എൻ്റെ കൂട്ടുകാരിൽ ഒരാളെന്നാണ് പറയേണ്ടത്. So one of my best friends എന്ന് വേണം പറയാൻ. What's your favorite type of shoe?
I always prefer to have sneakers as it is very comfortable for me than other shoes and also it looks good on me.
Okay Hannah, that was the end of our part 1. Now we are moving to part 2 of the test.
Okay.
In the second part, I'll be giving you a cue card and a preparation paper. If you want to write anything, you can make use of this paper. Okay? You will get 1 minute to prepare and you have to speak for 2 minutes.
Okay.
Okay? So this is your cue card and this is the preparation paper. Your preparation time starts now. Alright, the preparation time is over. Now you may start speaking.
Each and every job has its own interesting facts, but for me, I believe that fashion designing is one of the interesting jobs when compared to other jobs. Because it is my profession and I did my bachelor's in fashion technology. Even though that 3 years was a hard period for me, but I enjoyed a lot.
And also, our job it's not profession, it is profession. Even though that 3 years was Allah, 3 years were.
Fashion is nothing but just a kind of art and beautiful creativity which fulfills the desire of something to create new and latest. Media played a major role in providing information for me about this occupation, and also some of the famous magazines made me familiar with this occupation. In addition to that, in this profession, people do play with colors, which is one of the things that made me attracted towards this occupation. In this profession, people do play with colors, which is one of the things thing Allah. Moreover, people explore through a wide range of art, and some of the fashion shows conducted in each season is very fascinating to see. Creative thinking is one of the important skills needed to be a fashion designer, and people need to get updated about the current fashion trends. Drawing skill is also a requirement of being a fashion designer. People get inspired by each and everything around the world, and it is their skill to create new garments. Dressing is one of the basic human needs, and I don't think that it won't get out of demand. And as a fashion designer, I know that it is one of the highest paid jobs. Creative thinking is one of the important skills. One of the important skills. But one pattern la thaneyulla moonu mistakes evide vandirikkunnu. Appo adu pettannu notice cheyanulla chance koodudalana. Okay, so that is the end of our part 2. Okay. Now I'll ask you some questions based on the cue card. Okay. What jobs are popular among younger people in India? There are many jobs which offers a wide range of opportunities to younger generation in India. Among them, medical field, IT field and social media are so common. For instance, younger generation do challenges and vlogs, and they consider it as their career and not as a hobby, and they earn a lot of money from that.
Fine. Which jobs have the highest salaries?
I think actors and singers are the highly paid jobs.
Actors and singers are highly paid jobs. അവിടെ actors and singers are highly paid എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ കറക്റ്റ് ആയിരുന്നു. നമ്മൾ ജോബ് എന്ന് സ്പെസിഫൈ ചെയ്ത് പറയുമ്പോൾ ആക്ടിങ് ആൻഡ് സിംഗിങ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നതായിരുന്നു നല്ലത്.
And when it comes to traditional sector, IT field and also business management earns a lot of money.
IT field and business management earns അല്ല, IT field and business management earn ആണ്. All right. Which jobs pay low wages but require high level of skills?
Jobs like woodworkers, plumbers and people who do repair works needs a high skill to do their jobs, but I think they are the ones who is low paid. But I think it is gradually changing nowadays and they are getting paid well.
What are the differences between high paid jobs and low paid jobs?
In my country, I think people believe that status comes from wealth. So they respect people who are highly paid, and low paid workers don't get enough respect from other people.
Status comes from wealth. അങ്ങനെയല്ല അത് പറയേണ്ടത്. STATUS is not status, it's status. Status.
And also it is considered that people with higher education are highly paid, and low wages workers are not that much educated.
When asked about high paid and low paid jobs in the follow-up session, instead of speaking about Indian scenario directly, she could have talked it generally and mentioned Indian situation as an example. Okay, so that was the end of our test.
Okay.
Thank you. IELTS interview is almost like a casual conversation with the interviewer. അല്ലേ, നമ്മൾ വളരെ ഒരു ഫ്രണ്ട്ലി ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു കോൺവെർസേഷനിൽ ഏർപ്പെടുകയാണ് അവിടെ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ നമ്മൾ അവിടെ പേടിച്ചൊന്നും ഇരിക്കേണ്ട കാര്യമില്ല. ഇവിടെയാണ് പ്രാക്ടീസിൻ്റെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ് ഉള്ളത്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ കുറേ മോക്ക് സെഷൻസ് ഒക്കെ അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴത്തേനും നമ്മൾ ഒരേ പാറ്റേണിൽ വരുത്തുന്ന മിസ്റ്റേക്സ് ഒക്കെ കൂടി കളഞ്ഞാൽ നിങ്ങളൊരു എക്സലൻറ്റ് സ്പീക്കറായിട്ട് മാറും.